What's going on, everybody? Okay, Meraki, and do you guys like glamping tents? I love them. Do you? Well, if you do, stick around. It's gonna be good, real good. Last glamping tent I went to was in a dense forest, and it was completely surrounded by trees. Awesome. But today, my glamping tent is on top of a hill. Look at that, the sun is rising. Anyway, the place is called Rosewood Farmstay, and they've described it as the tent on the hill. So you can be in nature without compromising on comfort. This coffee's got some extra bounce to it. So why don't we, ourselves, just bounce on out of here? Quite difficult to sit. Is that where? Where do I, there? Maybe there? Can I get a sit? God damn it, delicious. All right, we're gonna bounce on out of here. It's time to go. Just a quick stop off here at Bale to get some tea before we make our way to our glamping tent. Since being here, I haven't heard a car, seen a human. I can't see another house anywhere I look. All I've seen are 2 red foxes, a herd of sheep, and a whole lot of beautiful white butterflies that look like sugar-coated wafers. Once again, we've been woken up by the birds. It's always the best way to wake up though, isn't it? These misty clouds, like a stray dog that's loyal to me, just follows me everywhere. So there's been a change in weather in the last 24 hours. Yesterday was 29 degrees, quite warm. Today, 15. There may be a drop in the weather, but not in my mood. Never. Is it too early to have a beer in a bathtub? It's 11 AM. Dinner tonight we have Mexican. Good morning, good morning. It's now 10 degrees and I didn't really bring any warm clothes. In fact, I don't even have any pants. I've got shorts. I didn't bring any pants. So it's that time again where I sum up my experience at Rosewood Farm. So at first, the nature of the landscape may seem repetitive. However, there's a calmness that comes with that. It allows you and your mind to be still. And hey, if you're like me and you live in the city, coming here is exactly what you need. The play of light across the landscape was the only perceptible change in our surroundings. The level of calm that came over me was almost cosmic. I suggest close your eyes, breathe softly. You will hear the whispered message, for all landscapes ask the same question. I am watching you. Are you watching yourself in me? Once again, this is AK Meraki signing out, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye for now.